A dispute over missing mobile phone escalated into a clash between local Telugu students and students from Manipur and Nagaland at a girls' hostel of SK College of Nursing in Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh on Saturday night. The incident reportedly began after a mobile phone belonging to a Northeast student went missing while it was charging on August 21. A tracking application later located the phone within the college premises, leading to allegations that it had been taken by another student. The demand to identify the person allegedly involved triggered a confrontation between the two groups, with videos showing students throwing slippers and buckets. Police and senior district officials intervened after the situation escalated, with Northeast students shifted to a separate secure facility and local students moved to another location as a precaution. District Collector and SP visited the hostel on Sunday and spoke with students from both groups. The missing phone was recovered and returned to its owner. District Collector said the dispute had been resolved and the situation was completely under control. He also dismissed social media claims about stolen certificates, suspension of fee payments and expulsion of students as baseless. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister's office said Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu reviewed the incident and directed senior officials to ensure the students' safety and resolve the matter immediately. The administration arranged accommodation for the affected students and took steps to prevent further escalation. Meanwhile, ex-Chief Minister of Manipur and Birain had urged Naidu to intervene and later thanked him for his timely response. Authorities also appealed to the public not to believe or circulate unverified social media reports, assuring parents that all out-of-state students are safe.